You got it. He actually made me jump when he went for that. He does that, no, starts webbing when he's eating. And stood here all that time with camera, recording 3 minutes, then recording 3 minutes, then recording 3 minutes. And then he takes it down in 3 seconds, yeah, just as I'm deleting othering. Now he might not let me in at all now. Dancing. Seems to dance every time I get some grub in. Makes you laugh. It's just funny when he does that. He's actually webbing round. You can see his web. Zoom in. I want him to go in his eye because that's the only way I can get him out at the minute. He'll not let me otherwise.